Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a firm decision. Define the change you want, why it matters, and set a deadline. Once decided, do a quick audit of habits, income sources, skills, and contacts so you know your starting line. Then choose one high-impact daily routine, reading, networking, or focused work, and start it today. You take action immediately because momentum compounds. Small daily steps produce big results over time, so don't delay and set your first measurable milestone. Now you convert routines into systems that keep you moving, schedule weekly blocks, create simple metrics, and add accountability with a partner or coach. Once done, track time spent, dollars earned, and specific skill improvements. Those numbers reveal what's working. Make sure to prune low-value activities and double down on actions that produce growth. You'll need patience here because results lag effort, so measure, adjust, and maintain focus until the momentum becomes self-sustaining. To finish, standardize the successful practices so they become automatic. File systems, scheduled reviews, and fixed wake/work times. Once stable, celebrate milestones and immediately set the next higher objective so progress never stalls. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by diagnosing whether the block is mindset, skill gap, or environment. Then pick one corrective step, a short course, a mentoring call, or a workspace change, and execute it. Keep iterating until the new results are consistent and permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.